After years and years of being on the road, I am so tired of hearing about housing, hearing about shelters. Ah, and just when you thought you were done with the endless housing and sheltering crap, the pandemic hits and find yourself eating meals in parking lots. Uh, the kicker here, though, in Knoxville, is the sunscreen station I found at the World's Fair Park. Also, I must mention I found one also at the bus station at the bus terminal downtown. uh, if there's one thing that young people need to do is, unlike their parents perhaps, just base something of their life on something other than shelters and sheltering, and get out of the house and enjoy life. Kids are just cramped and stuck in houses, and they never get out. All the fun seems to revolve around the house and the home and the car and the family. Ah, what happened to kids that played house, didn't sit around all day in house? What happened to the days when boys would go out and build teepees and forts? You know, get out of the house, my mother used to always say. It's like, do something. Sitting around watching TV. Today, I guess it's playing video games or whatever. This here is the Ijams Nature Center outside of Knoxville. And this is where kids can come and truly live in and among nature. This is a wonderful center that I have just spent a day in. And it is something to see. It is all nature and natural. This here is what's called Joe's Grove. And it seems to me to be for the young'uns. The 5, 6 year olds, you know, um, who can play in the hills here, in the woods here, while mom and dad watch them. You know, um, there is a place for the bigger kids. Um, over yonder here, that has a zip line, and you can zip. Oh boy. Unfortunately, it was closed, but I was dying to see some kids, going from tree to tree. Oh, it looks fascinating, But they have a whole zip line sort of thing going on here for the bigger kids, And for the even bigger kids, um, they have paddling, and they have boating, um, on the Tennessee River and at what's Mead's Quarry. There's another quarry here, a Mead's Quarry, where you can go boating. But this is all one sort of deal. And, you know, like the botanical gardens here in Knoxville, like the Fort Dickerson Park, like the Augusta Quarry, it is all free. It is the Ijams Nature Center here, outside of Knoxville, in South Knoxville. And it is truly a treasure that should not be missed when visiting Knoxville. Because once again, Tennesseans are showing their pride for the beautiful land that they have here. Just remarkable.